Gather 8 large eggs, a half cup each of bean sprouts, chopped green onions, diced cooked chicken or shrimp, sliced mushrooms, and shredded carrots. Don't forget a teaspoon each of soy sauce, sesame oil, and grated ginger. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. First, whisk the eggs in a large bowl until thoroughly beaten. This forms the foundation of our dish. Once beaten, introduce the bean sprouts, green onions, your choice of cooked chicken or shrimp, mushrooms, and carrots into the mix. Whisk gently, ensuring the ingredients combine but retain their individuality. Next, add the soy sauce and sesame oil, lending a savory complexity to the dish. The grated ginger follows, introducing a warm, spicy note that cuts through the richness. Sprinkle in salt and pepper to taste and give the mixture a good stir. Now it's time to cook. Heat a small amount of oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour a 1/4 cup of the egg mixture into the skillet. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until golden brown. Transfer the cooked egg foo young to a plate and repeat until all of the mixture is cooked. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.